What up though, y'all? Once again, it's your man Dr. Short talking and doing stuff. And I just wanted to share something with y'all that I've been doing over the years. I've been doing this for years and years and years. For those of y'all that worked with me and those of y'all that served closely with me, y'all know about this. All right. I believe this is one of the things that, has me the way I am right now. I don't think I look too bad. I think I still look okay. I still feel good. And I think this is one of the things that that has me feeling good and looking good. All right. I've been drinking this for a very long time. And I'm a firm believer in two things for longevity. All right. One, don't stop moving. You got to move. You got to work out. You got to walk. You got to, just don't stop moving. When I first started working at the VA, a nurse told me that sitting is the new smoking. In other words, if you're sitting down all the time, you got to get up and move. Right now I have a job where I'm kind of pinned to my desk, but I try to, get out and walk a little bit during my breaks. And we have a gym in our facility. I try to go up there and do cable pull downs, push-ups and stuff like that. But that's the first thing, don't stop moving. But the second thing is don't let the things inside your body stop moving. You got to keep stuff coming, you got to keep putting stuff in your body, moving in, and you got to keep stuff moving out of your body, if you know what I mean. So you got to hydrate, drink water, drink water coming in and let it go out. And then you also got to eat things, drink things that go into your body and make things come out, if you know what I mean. All right. So anyway, I've been drinking this for years. All right. And it's been modified over the years. I think I started off back in the day with strawberries and raspberries, but now, I like blueberries. So I got blueberries on the bottom. Then I got my spinach. I got my ginger. And as you can see, I slice my ginger real thin. If you slice your ginger, sometimes if you slice your ginger in chunks and put it in there, you'll have those ginger strings. But if you slice the ginger real thin, it'll eliminate the strings. And a little bit of watermelon. And of course, some organic pineapple juice. All right, so the pineapple juice, you put in enough, I usually put in enough juice to just cover the blueberries. All right, maybe a little more. All right, and then got my trusty NutriBullet that I've been using for years. Just put that cap on, smash it down. Let it ride for about 30 seconds. There you go. Delicious, nutritious, fibrous. Got your veggies in it. And it's nice and cold. So usually I'll have one of these in the morning. Sometimes I'll drink it by itself. Anyway, we'll take care of that later. We'll drink it by itself. Sometimes I'll have it with some eggs, but just wanted to share this with you. For those of y'all that know me, y'all know about this, all right? But there it is. I posted another video on this a long time ago back in the day. This is a little bit of a modification from that, but down in the description is that older video when I was younger and looked a little younger. Well, I guess I looked younger because I was younger. But anyway, I'm Dr. Short, talking and doing stuff. Have a great day.